The quick-acting pipe clamp, designed by Miller Marine. It saves time, it saves money, it saves lives. When things go wrong on a naval ship, they can go terribly wrong. Hostile fire, hazardous conditions, and accidents can create conditions that force a crew to execute damage control procedures. Sailors must act quickly to save their vessel and their lives. In 1967, the disaster aboard the USS Forrestal illustrated the potential danger of an accident at sea. A key component to patching ruptured pipes is the Jubilee Pipe Patch. These patches allow leaks to be stopped or reduced until further repairs can be made. For over 10 years, Miller Marine has manufactured both the single-piece Jubilee Pipe Patch and the two-piece Jubilee Pipe Patch. Jubilee patches are available in damage control equipment on each ship and submarine in the U.S. military. While manufacturing the current patches, Miller Marine noticed that the design was impractical and difficult to install. As a result, we designed the quick-acting pipe clamp, allowing the Jubilee patches to become much more functional and efficient.
One person definitely can't install this on their own. The problem too is if you were to take this and somehow manage to pry it open enough to actually fit it over the pipe, the more you bend the metal, the more you open it, close it, you're going to be weakening the strength of the patch every time that you make any adjustment like that. You're going to end up with a patch that's useless, and it's not able to be installed in a very efficient way. You drop a bolt in a floating compartment, who knows where it's going to end up. In an emergency situation where things might be a little hectic, you want to be able to get to contain those floods as quickly as possible, and this is a lot more effective.
Damage control is the premise that the safety and life of a ship depends on its watertight integrity. At Norfolk's Center for Naval Engineering and Damage Control, Navy personnel are offered courses on the USS Buttercup. This wet training facility familiarizes sailors with damage control equipment, procedures, and scenarios they may encounter at sea. To prepare sailors in the process of dewatering and pipe patching, simulated emergencies are as realistic as possible. Any leak can be cause for alarm, and repairing ruptured pipes in rising waters can require iron nerve and specific training. Our quick-acting pipe clamp provides for faster application, requiring 10 seconds to install as opposed to 10 minutes. Our improved design will save lives, machinery, and equipment.
We demonstrated earlier that they're very quick. Unlatch it, and it's off. If you have a leak, slide it over, put it on, clamp it, and your leak's done. It's very practical.
The quick-acting pipe clamp is designed to last a lifetime and combines the application for both the single and two-piece Jubilee patches.
We've been developing these patches and making them for the Navy for a long time now. Seeing these, making them for so long, we start seeing some of the ways that they can be improved.
These are virtually they're one piece. Nothing to get lost. They'll come clamped together in one piece, so you don't have to have hardware with them. You just put them on the pipe and you clamp it down.
The quick-acting pipe clamp uses no loose hardware. No parts can be dropped or lost during high-stress scenarios. With the new design, no tools are required, which means no thread binding or galling on installation or removal. Our modified design still uses the same high-quality materials as previous Jubilee designs and is just as durable.
In an emergency, you may not necessarily have all the time required to be able to make every adjustment required on each of these bolts. It's very time-consuming. With this patch, you can set your pull head here without necessarily having to get it perfect the first time. It'll still snap down into place, and this will give you the time necessary to be able to make any other adjustments that you may need to make to the second latch. Once you've found those adjustments, you can also snap this into place. But in the end, you're able to stop the leak, first, and then once the leak's been stopped, you can make any adjustments that may be required without having the compartment flooded at the same time.
The prototypes of our quick-acting pipe clamp have been successfully tested and the patent is pending. We recognize the need for further hands-on assessment, and we want to see our design evaluated by instructors and students on the USS Buttercup wet trainer. We would like to see our quick-acting pipe clamps included with every ship's damage control equipment. We strongly believe our design will improve any crew member's ability to complete successful pipe patching in an emergency. Our quick-acting pipe clamp will save time, lives, and resources. The quick-acting pipe clamp, designed by Miller Marine, it saves time, it saves money, it saves lives.